oh, oh. Okay, hey, hey, oh. Okay, oh. Okay. There again, okay. I can take out most of them with this. I'm not even counting how many there are. I don't No. No, I guess not. Okay. Do this. And okay, take your time. Okay. No. Oh, no, 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 no! Oh! Damn it. This shit again. Ugh. It'll take me forever. Come on, come on, come on. You're gonna keep coming at me. Crap. Alright. Alright, take your time. Alright, alright, oh. No, 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 no! What the hell? I had it! That went way quicker than it usually did. Oh my fucking balls. Oh. Alright. Come on, come on, just keep coming at me. You done? You done? You done? Okay. It's getting to me now. Oh, it's getting to me now. Oh, there was another. Guess it felt like this time. Why are you so far out there? I know not to go out there to fight you. Alright, go, 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 go. Okay. Just to rest. Now I gotta go directly across, right? Oh. Yes. Yes! Okay. Oh, no, no, no! Oh my god! Please tell me I don't have to do that again. No. Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Oh. I was defeating an enemy, a checkpoint. Oh my god! This is killing me. This is killing me! God damn it! Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what? Do that. That's fine. I don't care anymore. I don't care at this point. Kill as many as you can. You didn't kill that many, did you? Yeah. Yeah, you really didn't. Maybe you did. Nope. Come over here! God damn it! I know better than to go out there. No! What the fuck? Oh my... I don't know how I did that, out of anger. Fuck it. Just keep fucking going. Do it again. You would think it's a one and done hit with them. And then they would just keep moving on, but I guess not. Oh my god, come on. Good? We good. Okay, no more surprises. Okay. No, I'm getting close. Yeah. Okay. 2, 1. Oh god. Oh, I'm panicking. Okay. It's okay. Stay calm. No. Oh, no! Oh my god! Oh my god. My fucking head. Oh. How can I die so many fucking times with this? So they're doing stuff way up above that I have no idea is happening. This is when I wish that I can control the camera, so I could have looked up and seen how many were above me right now. There's another one. No, yeah, I knew you were there. Alright. Take your fucking time. Oh my god! Oh, you fucking... Come here! We're not doing that to me. Okay. Oh, thank god! Yes! Oh, yeah, come here. Make my checkpoint for me. Make my checkpoint. God damn it! Come on! They're like wasting any more magic on you fuckers. Come on. No, you're... Come on. God, why are there so many of you at one fucking point? I don't think I'm even halfway done this level. Oh, fuck. Oh, no! Get over there. Yes. Okay, rest. Come on. Yes! Oh, thank God. Save point! Yes! And, oh, what do I need more? Yeah, that's fine. Health. Health always comes first. Save it, so I never, ever have to do any of that ever again. Oh, okay. I see you. Oh. Oh. Okay. Well, okay. That was my fault. That was my fault. I jumped a little late. It's okay. And I forgot to switch it to my my lightning bolts. I could throw them, but when I get a little bit closer. Is that close enough? Damn it! Yeah. I'll get a little closer now. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. Damn, they take a lot now. Use it up. Damn, I should take them out pretty quickly. Yeah, now it's just like one and done here, right? Yeah. Okay. Ah, damn it, I have no magic! Throw me curveballs all the fucking time, aren't you? Okay. It's fine. Oh, what? Respawned. Come on. Oh, come on, come on. Yes. Okay. Okay, so you respawn to show me to go up there, I guess. Because there's not, yep, nothing over there. What is it? Okay. Uh-oh. Damn it. Okay. I gotta do this then. I don't know what to do. I have no magic. These guys are pretty strong. They might be a little bit stronger than they usually are just because they're the hell version. Hades version. And I know my little Spartan thing in the corner is all charged up, but I don't want to waste it here in case there's something worse a little later. Okay. Oh, damn it, are you serious? No! Yeah, you're gonna keep throwing me off. I know you are. I know you are. Yep. No! Come on. Oh yeah, one fucking hit out of that. Yeah. Come on, you. Come on! No. I knew you were gonna charge at me. Come on. There, okay. Better not be another one. Okay. I need health. Or not. Yeah, I'll take the health. I need it. I need it bad. That sucked. Oh, hi. You came back. Oh, okay, okay, it's gonna play that way. Oh, no, no, no. Do not hit me off the side. Come on! Are you fucking... Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on! Just keep fucking respawning, okay? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh! This is so fucking annoying. I just can't with this. Oh! How can you hit me 2 times and then with an arrow? How is that in any way fair? And I'm dead. And I'm fucking dead. Just let you kill me. Just let you kill me. That's what, just let you kill me. Fucking hard. Come on, man. Just, yep, I'm dead. Yep, yep, and, whoa, yep, and I glitched out. I glitched out once again. Yep, I am dead. Just come over here and whack me. Just whack me. One more time. Come on. Yep, there we go. Because I didn't stand a chance after that fucking glitch. Oh my fucking god, this game. My god, I'm almost done with you.